Most of us are creatures of habit, so the unexpected can stop us in our tracks. A dead battery in your Subaru can definitely slow you down. Like any battery, the one in your Subaru won't last forever. You may notice some signs like dimming lights, or slow startups when you turn your key, or you may see no signs at all. That's why it's important to have us monitor the battery every time you come in for an inspection. Our certified and factory-trained technicians use a specific battery tester to measure its state of health. Your advisor can even hand you a printed report of its condition. If it needs replacement, we can provide the correct OEM Subaru battery for your vehicle, so you can get back to your original routine with your best foot forward. We're here to help. Make it last.